Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, blessed love, guys, blessed love, blessed love, blessed love, blessed love. I am here at Ibo Spice. You know the thing goes. My life Baja is here too. Ice Street. Aye.
Forward in from there, you know.
There, man. There. Chocolate and busy there.
Yeah, man.
Oh.
Chocolate and busy there. Food there. Burger. Everything ready to have this.
My uncle there.
Oh, your uncle there. Big up yourself, uncle.
Yeah, man, anytime.
Give me two of the tea, them man. You want the tea, Baja?
Yeah, man.
You want food? Oh. How can I juice now?
You have soursop on it. Mango soursop on papaya there. Beetroot mix there. Fine and
Mango sauce.
Yeah, mango sauce. The mix. Try the beetroot. The beetroot bad. Beetroot bad. They're around there. What thing, man? No bad, bro.
Mushroom there too.
Mushroom there?
Yeah.
Alright, then so now we're gonna try the mushroom with some food then, man. Day upon it. Where's the day off?
They're full.
They're full.
Yes, sir.
Alright, run out. Yes, nothing on steam. Alright, guys, see there? Hot chocolate and busy. No steam, nothing in us here at all. Pure oil on top. Barge over there, try the hot chocolate and busy.
Calm.
Deadly. No, you have to give this. Of course. Burn off your tongue. You see it there. Calm and ready. You see, you have to get out the pies now to your body. Yes, sir. So the busy are going to do that job there. Sweet. Touch the top part, you know? Touch the top part. Yeah. Going down well. You know, this is one of my favorite when I come here, you know, chocolate and busy. But you only can get it once a week. You know, that's the only sad thing about it, but trust me, I love it. Great invention by Ibo. Chocolate and the busy, you know, usually I just chocolate here alone. But for put the busy inside of it, that's something else. You know, like sip tea, like drink tea, you know. Put them things, you have to sip them. You know? Yeah. You know, like sip tea, like to drink tea. But this me have to sip it. You know? How when that? Yeah, I don't want it so cool. You know? Can you imagine it? The right temperature with the right now, you know. But I drink a normal tea, but for some reason it's just carry a different heat. You know? Don't it? Let me tell you, man. What, man? Deadly. Alright guys, so Here we go now. We have a little additional today. We got the mushroom added to this as well too. A jerk mushroom this, right? Oysters. Oyster mushroom. The last time jerk it, you know, jerk style. So guys, so we have the mushroom add to this as well too. Flavor the thing, you know. So the mushroom will be the chicken. You know. So if you like meat, you see me, you have the mushroom, trust me, it tastes exactly like meat. But you ever eat mushroom yet? Yeah, yeah. But yeah, miss out, man. Come on, Baja, I forgot to try a piece of the mushroom, man. You try. Eh? Put it on. Let's try. Today, I tell you, man, it tastes like meat.
Yeah, man, it tastes like meat.
Now beat meat then.
Today, I tell you.
I got to say.
It tastes like meat.
Yeah.
Tell you, man, you won't miss meat when you're eating mushroom. So imagine when him jerk, like jerk mushroom. You think a jerk chicken you're eating. Bad, man. See there? It look like piece of chicken. This look like eating piece of chicken. Spread the burger.
That's the fire.
Alright, straight.
Yeah, man, I don't know King. You don't know.
Do it.
Yeah, man.
Alright, cool on. Too much coachy. Pass the coachy on the left hand side. It have a ball. I movements of drop paper. Yes, sir. Baj, you ever try the made? The pumpkin seed?
No, how much them?
200. I've got 200. Yeah, man. It's good for the prostate and it tastes like popcorn to you. Like you're having a popcorn. Yeah. Unusual. I know you're sorry you never buy more than one. Oh. Alright guys, so I'm good. I am loaded. I got myself some drink and some sweet banana. And I'm going to head into Trenchtown right now. You know, to get some. Yeah, headed into Trenchtown right now to get some things sorted out and then move.
Okay.
Hello. Jamaica, turn off your lights. The sun not hot. Tell the truth, the sun hot? Barely? If you say the sun barely hot. Baja.
Yeah.
Alright, Baja, so I have 2 donations here they put down for you from the other day. You know. The first one we have 2,000 from Mario.
Yeah.
From California as well too. So that's 2,000 from Mario.
Mario from California. Love and thanks. Appreciate everything, your effort and strength tonight, and bless up to Akeynote too. We make the thing still going strong.
Yeah.
Thing, yeah man. Love and love alone.
And we have Just from Queens, New York.
Yeah.
7,500 from Just
from Queens, New York. Yeah man, give thanks for this, your sweat and tears. And when you can stretch out your hand and give to others, fully appreciate it. That thing. We'll continue to do what we are doing in order. Everything goes to I for everything go smooth and everything and make it feel good and feel free at the same time around us.
Yeah.
And bless you to Kino.
Yeah, man.
Standing up same way and doing the work same way and highlighting the good and the bad situation amongst each other where you can help one out of them situation and them thing there in order to bring them life to a better quality and thing. Continue doing the work, you
Yes,
great
sir.
job.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. So we give thanks, so. So we give thanks to Joss, you know, that been put down for Baja from the other day. You know, Joss, you got yourself from Queens, and also Mario as well too. Thank you as well too. So we have one more left for Prefect from Mario also. They don't know Prefect is on the road as well too. You know, and boom there, boom. Where you say, feeling better?
Yeah, man, blessed and one love, man. Blessed.
You recover?
Yeah, man, recover, man. Not fully, but you know,
Get in there.
get in there.
Get in there. So what's going on here, kids?
Want to sleep?
Exactly, because you're in the sun.
No.
Yeah, the sun hot.
So want to sleep.
The sun is very hot.
You put on sunscreen this morning?
Sunscreen? I don't use sunscreen. I just hide from the sun like I'm hiding now. You see me in the shade? Yeah, but you guys in the sun, riding up and down. Hot like fire. Well, I can't complain now. Guys, I don't want to complain. The other day we had complaints. Pure rain. And now we get little sun. Eh? No complaining. So, I'm not complaining. I said, I drink my beetroot juice right now and I'm going to settle down on the lane. Right? Yo, Mika, the ramp with me now, Mika. Mika, the ramp with me now, Mika. Mika, the ramp with me now, Mika.
Come here, your daughter gone back a friend? England. So when we are going to the one the people in the longest.
When I go for cranberry?
Yeah. We are going for cranberries.
I know.
Come go up there today. No.
Say that again, Chio say no. Chio say no, not today.
I can go probably next week.
Someday, when time the river fix up back. Cause the bag them mash up because the river keep coming down.
Push back them.
The sandbag to prevent the water from running away. So when them fix it up back, cause me no one gonna want to swim, no. Yeah. Exactly. So wait till it fix. Alright? I'm still a bit feel like I feel like a bit down, like I don't know if my system.
Yeah, because you know.
My system knows some of the stuff around.
Yes.
Well, I mean, she influenced me still, but I'm making up the idea. She influenced me.
It's a good thing.
I know they're kind of hard to get right now.
You know, I get back that again.
Alright, big boss. No boss, family. Family. What's your name? My friend. What go on? Boy, no kid me can get family. Jaja. But if I got bush and I go look my own kid. Yeah, you too. Really, Joshua? Yeah, man. Go look my own kid. So the man where you used to get it from? Huh? The man where you used to get it from? He gone from the farmer. Oh, him fly out? Yeah. From the farmer. He'll dig a place and find it. No, me have to dig feet and all. I'm bridging up to the digger. I'm not doing that. I'm going to get for the same supply. Yeah, sure. Yeah, jelly beans and all. Some kind of water. No drink. Yeah, no. Guys, I come here with my hopes. Listen, I came here with my hopes up. So yes, I come get some drink. All my customers on YouTube come around. Yeah. Only for people say, Kino. Yeah. Kino, yeah man. So big them up. Big up yourself, support the thing by watching Kino channel, you know? Yeah. But right now, I'm come on nothing. Right now, I'm come on nothing star. Josh, you have to go search. You know? How long now this happened? About 7 days now. A week. And so 7 days, could I say a week? 7 days, I count it by days, you know. Yeah.
Every day we turn things over.
So how long before you think you're gonna get back so now?
Tomorrow night, when I get some music.
Okay. So we can circle tomorrow then. I'm gonna get that jelly then. We get that jelly then. See, I'm not in the fridge, I said.
Jelly, yeah, man, cola.
Yeah. Yeah.
Kino. That's a Kino that come at you, man. Yeah, man.
Same place. But guys, I come and nothing. They put in a buckle.
Buckle.
This small buckle.
We have in a buckle already, you know.
I that me the one.
Oh, alright, let us stay on it.
Oh, so you have a good. Tell me know your buckle them out already. Yeah. Respect. Can't know star. I mind up on the beetroot, you know. I have to go head to Ibos Spice and get the beetroot around there. You know. My mind was on the turmeric, you know, and also the beetroot. Okay. Obviously the man I use natural cane juice, you know, no water added. So once you have no cane juice, you not get no drink.
No drinks, yeah.
Jelly water.
That's what I mean, people don't understand.
Yeah.
Once we not have nothing, you not get no juice. Some people, they not have nothing, they find a way to make juice.
Yeah.
We don't do them thing there.
Okay.
We don't do them thing there. But we not have no juice, but that's happening. We not find no way, no ulterior motive. No.
Yeah.
But that's natural juice.
Because some of us probably use the water.
Water and sugar and manipulate people. And mix things in there, isn't it?
I depend on how much it is.
Let's give it 350. Fix up myself, isn't it? I restructure it. Next time when I come, will I come go and see things design different?
Yeah. Well, good, let me come help me see have some drinks ready.
Yeah, juice out there.
So guys, I first go and work for the water for now and head on to Ibos Spice.
Yeah.
You know? Alright,
Pick up for
Joshua.
yourself.
Tell them exactly where you are
Yo,
again.
dump on Darling Street, right across from the Darling Street police station where the no car park is, you know? Can't miss it. Right in front of the country bus park. Yeah.
Oh, so that new car park this?
Yeah, man, the no car park. And the market first and then turn it in a car park.
Yeah, I noticed it was a market. Okay, at least them concrete it off.
Yeah, man, that's a car park in there right now.
So not so much dust, because you have a car park on by the next side around there, so. Around there, so pure dust.
It's more cleaner than around so still. It's more organized than around so.
Yeah. Alright then. Joshua,
Pick up yourself.
pick up yourself, bro.
J.A. Godfather establishment, you know?
Yeah.
J.A. Godfather Limited, same place name, you know?
That's why you take the
Can't
place
miss it.
name?
That's what the place name.
Yeah. J.A.
Come register a company, you know?
Okay.
Put up the thing name, and then we fix up a structure, then they put a name on top. Yeah.
So you're gonna do concrete it off?
No, I'm not concrete it down. I'm building it on that board.
Put that board.
Yeah. Like,
Well, they
24 and
type of concrete off because they
No,
make it.
I'm concrete off a base.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not put up a concrete. What's in my place?
Yeah. Can you pay rent here?
No, market fee.
Market fee, okay. Market fee. Nothing wrong, you can do the right thing because a good business they have going, you know? Unless you have to know what you're going to do now, get a piece of land and start farm your own cane.
Why, that more, but no, if I do that, you have to do that $50 million.
50 million?
Off respect. You have $50 million to buy the land.
So much?
Yeah, man, that's so much. Land is cheap, you know. Forget the land space you want.
Yeah.
I don't have money. Yeah, man.
But you will make it back though.
What you mean if you make it back fast and quick?
You will make it back though. No, you have an investor come through and say, yeah, where's the Josh? We're ready for that deal.
What you mean, what? That's that good, man. Who want an investor? An investor we can see a vision and see where you go. And can invest right into that direction.
I know that's up. I know that's what's up.
Yeah, man.
You know. So guys, so you don't know if you see the vision, link up Joshua. Juice on them, jelly water.
Yeah, jelly, you know.
Guys, so everything goes. So I'm gonna run to Ibos Spice and get some food around there and get some beetroot from Ibo and then head out. So my mind was so much on his beetroot and cane and especially turmeric, you know, with the cane. I literally came up my house, you know, positive say yes, I'm gonna get some cane juice with turmeric, you know, without a beetroot, but none of that. So you know, I forgot it to Ibos Spice. You know, hopefully Ibos Spice will have beetroot, but you know, the turmeric is what I been urging for. But it never happened. Sure. So let's continue the day on. Alright guys, so here in Trenchtown, you know what the plan is. I got a donation to help out with the towards the bunk bed, you know, for Nana. You know, and I also got the barrel now. And I got the barrel, the person literally phoned me, so I know who sent the barrel for me to organize that. I also gonna do that a different day, you know, and then some other stuff now to deal with after. Yeah, but sure I got this put down for cranberry. Then I'm just gonna go up there and drop this off, and then sort out what I need to sort out for them to get, and also that donation for Miss Gracie also as well to head over there, you know, for them and the blind brothers. So I'll do that on another day also, you know. So you can do it one step at a time, you know. So that's the mission. We're going to head up to Marma River. So we have 30 grand. But spare worship there. When I find oh, go on. Where so you're flying?
Final worry right now.
Whoa, you ready? Yes, sir. Magdalena, go on down.
So I don't take them out now with them. I take them out with them, make your sister be away with them.
What do you mean? Oh, look, neat for your foot, you know. Neat for your foot, you know, mama.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Yeah, cause that's one of the shoes that she get from the box the other day. Yeah. And she like keen to see me wear my shoes, yeah. You know, so she's proudly wearing her shoes. She get fitting. It's fitting neat on her feet as well to well.
Because she come from to work.
Mm-hmm.
Glad to get all her work shoes, knowing that she can beat this guy. Soft, comfort shoes.
Yeah, well neat.
Yeah, man, because I'm a subscribers, man. You see me, I say,
what,
the extended family, them, man. Yeah, man, big up on yourself once again, man. You see me, I say, yeah, man, we appreciate everybody. You hear that? Love.
We said the video me I edit. You know me I laugh about the most.
Yeah.
Come never really take notice. You know, guys, we never really take notice of it much. When I start editing, I'm like 30 grand and then pinning the pants.
Yeah.
Pants tight.
Pants there.
Yeah,
come on,
yeah. 30 grand of my pants there tight. Them squeeze my bars all leg on my ankle, brother. And I have a pink socks to go with it as well. You know, I say wait there. I want me to edit it, I laugh, brother. I feel laugh, I laugh. How you get in the pants there?
Boy, you know, say I don't see the pants and like it, I'm going to say, take it out and say, you know, I beat the pants and I give them a different look.
Yeah.
Yeah, brother.
Yeah, man. Oh, say, yo, I edit it, I laugh. You see me, I laugh.
Yeah, I say,
boom.
ask the boom there.
For the camera.
Yeah, man. I'll ask boom. I will come out, the whole room and them. I say, whoa, 30 grand, you're sexy, so I walk on today, I'm muggle. Ray. I say, more time I saw it come and I have to just give them a different look sometimes.
Step up, mama.
Yo, say yo, I never really take notice when I really edit it and I look and I like, whoa. I saw the man pants and tight, brother. No room for error, you know, and the man have one pink socks still.
I wish to pay that, man. I want tight up too.
Yeah, man, long sleeve.
If I look like a goalie.
It's a goalie. Who you keep at Chelsea? Yeah, John. Hello, miss. We are going shop? Okay. Good? How was school today?
Good.
Good. You been a good girl? How's the track and field going? Good? Okay. Come here, come second for high jump. Guys, should I jump the other day and come second, you know. I jump and come second. I jump at which one again? You jump over the bar, right?
Long jump and nice sand.
Yeah. So you jump high man over the bar. So you go on Daniela. She go way over the bar.
If you run and then you got twist to go over, so you know.
Yeah.
You know?
Eh?
Flex them, you can't do that, man.
Probably not, you know.
Mama 6 foot and her dad 6 foot.
Probably not.
Man is not.
I'm not reach 6.
6.
Sure. Me a 6'2".
6'2".
Yeah.
I'm not reach 6 eh?
Probably 5'5" something, 5'8".
More than him.
5'8" also.
More than him 6.
Our father.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, that's fast.
6.
My road man. Energy.
Yeah, walk.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know where that from?
Movements. We catch up.
Do that. Yeah, man. My road man, I think, you know.
Road man, it's been a while we haven't seen my road man. Energy, we couldn't stop for my road man right now because we're in a traffic, guys.
Yeah, man.
You know, so traffic. I don't want traffic to get worse on the road because it's coming on to that time, you know. So energy. Guys, so we just reached, and the thing is the best thing about today traveling coming up here, yeah, traffic was less on the road. That was the best thing today. It was traffic less on the road, and that was so good. And I was happy. I was like cruising. I'm like, what's going on, you know? But that's a good sign, you know. Traffic was less on the road, and yeah, that was good. So we're here, we reach. Yeah, so we literally just reached. Ballin'! Ballin'! Well, video shoot again. Looks like there's a video shoot taking place over here today. water clear but not so clear. At least it's not so bad. Will charge you up there. Jackfruit. Calabash here. Tough, you know. Calabash. Tough, you know.
Ja, maar dus komt het ook aan clean out.
Dus komt daar weer op aan clean.
Hoe is het zo? Ja, met kop dit.
If we use the saw.
The saw, it just want a axa blade. Axa will cut it out. Neat.
That's tough, you know, man. See it here.
See it?
This? Yeah.
And calabash tree.
Like that one to drop and roll down the hill.
Come down the hill, so.
But there is no more. And the tree look empty.
Yeah, look empty, like nothing left on it.
I wonder where that one that come from.
One more calabash tree supposed to go up somewhere. The main one, main tree that.
Them yeah. They call them water flowers. Water something. Water grass. They used to use feed my own.
They will feed the rules and feed the animal country, man, you know.
Water grass.
And at night I come down like them time I will start drawing them up. Full up the pendulum, man.
Yeah. Put all the August man, nice man.
That is only for August, man.
All of this heat down.
But like, love them Akeynote.
Yeah man, water grass. And then you feed me like them pan what me used to. They come like nobody running I really want to hug.
Yeah man, I tell them.
But no want to poke around you.
I think I must have one time come to an hug, you know.
Yeah.
One time I remember him got tough.
Nobody no want to poke around here.
Yeah man, I want to punch you.
Nobody no want no poke around here.
People afraid of coke, man.
Charge is here. Huh? Charge here, clean up. Oh, look, I'm cleaning up. Right. Yeah? Layers them.
Listen, the money, them still lay out, them lay out.
No, they still there.
Them can lay out? Them they can lay out?
Then get told them, but
Oh, when them get whole?
Yeah, but they still there.
Oh, only when they... Yeah. Where? Whoa, look there. Aki. Go. Kubaki. Stick. You have stick, charge of the stick. Got to go and we say now I want to see your eyes.
I line stick them me use. That tree that if you go up that tree, you don't want to stick in it, to go up that tree, you don't want to stick. That thing can go in the company and use.
Something cool.
Yeah, one leather road over Cranberry.
You have to know how to survive.
One leather road. But that tree, if you go in that tree, you don't have to use that stick it now.
At the Butterkey tree this?
Butterkey, I know Butterkey, you never get them already, you never pick that care.
No, but remember you have a Butterkey different from the...
Yeah,
no.
Butterkey.
Oh, no Butterkey. I'm here about it, you know. Well soft as well, Butterkey.
Butterkey as well. Right now, you pick them and you reach out to them right now.
Yeah. I'm saying you can't boil them for long.
No, they put them in the water, you have to put them in.
Yeah.
Let the water boil up, they put them in and pick them in.
Oh, you get the stick? Go. You get the stick? Eh? Get the stick?
I like it, I will take them and I like it. I let them round them.
Charge, which one you thought? That one you have been up? Oh, them limb you maga, man. Them limb you 30 grand limb.
Chop out already and spin up back.
30 grand a tree, a year tree. I mean, a slim fit. Jackfruit, I want jackfruit. Oh, I want to look so.
It's a ripe, you know, Gino.
At the edges, I do.
Yeah, man, that look ripe, Gino.
Evening cranberry. Go for that one day. We'll capture that one day. A jackfruit there.
Dirty dog, you come out from the town.
Yeah. Eh?
Oh, my tell me life, I went there.
Oh.
When I'm done, I went to tell me life, I went there.
Done so?
Yeah.
Eh.
Life, I'm getting shot. Me as the police, I look for it. I walk more out there. Because maybe I never walk out when I get station. I walk me as the police, I look for my son, I come here, the police. I said, I go up there. Because I'm already a mason, I look for me.
Yeah.
Sunday, I come around the mason, yesterday, come out. I walk out. I go up there, the man, I tell the police, I'm chopping you right now.
Adapt me, aye.
Man, chop you must have own.
Yeah.
Go. If man chop you must have own.
Adapt me here, sir. Yeah, you know, want him come for you. Wait, somebody up there? What are you charging? Come. Evening, come, man. Yes, bush up. Good jackfruit. Wow.
Watch that.
That's the big one.
Step, you know? Good.
A long time a dog ain't see me too, you know. The man get rotten. Put it on door drop, you know. Hold him, touch him, hold him. That ready?
Give me knock it here, look.
I want the other side though. Nah, mind the doo-doo there, so. Mind the dog doo-doo. You see? No, one stick. Take cranberry. Cranberry, bring one stick, come.
Look on the right one over there.
Yeah.
If you want a stick,
Get one stick. Get one stick. A dog here, a long time a dog here don't see me, you know. Come here, come. High five. High five. High five. Hey, how you doing? Long time, right? Long time. Long time don't see me though. Hey, it's been a while you have been seeing me, don't it? That's why you've been barking. Dog, I always remember the story. Yeah, how you doing? How you doing? How is the kids them, eh? Where? How is your kids them? How is your kids them? How is your kids them? High five. Hey, shake, dig. It's been a while, right? It's been a while now. Don't it? Don't it? Guys, it's been a while this dog haven't seen me. Very, very long while. Alright, so. Yeah, nice. I want to get jackfruit. Yeah? I want to get some jackfruit. Eh? How is your kids them? You want to shake? Alright, still want to shake. Still want to shake my ass.
Get it.
You get it?
It's still want one.
Stick?
One of them can go use it. Still have to pick the Aki.
Toti, you get it?
See if take it down in here, they drop in there. Wait, Liam. The sound right down there, sir. Oh God, remember that I could check the car in there, so they take a jump.
In other way.
Then, the dog shit.
Wait, where you want stick?
Yeah. See them there, the hook stick them over here.
Are that in the use?
Yes.
Let me see.
You can come back past and wait there, drop down there, sir.
Yeah, man, that one look like it well buried down, man. Oh. No. Police in there.
Hey, tap that.
Wait, stop it now. Eh? Yeah. White nose. Woo, that picket. Yeah.
No. You get one, man.
That's the big one. What did I show you?
Which one?
The biggest one. We don't see it.
You don't see it gone?
You have to get this up here.
Somebody pick it. Come put back this.
You know, Kina? Oh, chef, you have to wear the upper one that can make it like a nice plastic bag. The plastic something funny, the plastic one. I'm after one, because in the house of Papa me. So I tell him, I tell him, Dad! See the right side somewhere? You see this? Stop it!
White nose, go down.
Go down, man.
White nose, go on. Alright, go on.
Tell me sure. How you talk to see? I was so love compass in my
a white nose.
Yeah.
What does it have on? This? Where's your clothes?
Just Shifuta. Because so we are going to look back. But I see the two income.
What you want, Aki too?
Yes.
This is my balance. Just like 30 grams. Are you a stick, Chris, right? A Chris one? Okay. It's good, we'll bring it back. Go on with it now.
You know, say me, if you know, say come to, you know.
You know.
Yeah.
Hey, Maya stepping at the shit right there, so.
Mama said, "Don't come, remember she said, go on, man, you blind.
Go on, whoa. We get the stick. No, we have it. You don't want it?
Tell her. That stick at 100%.
The next one at 100. What you see do the right there? Somebody stepping out already.
No, the jackfruit and
They dropping it?
Yeah, that's why all chef say no. When me
30 grand?
that's why I'm saying no want it.
Ah, you might go eat that side there. No, shit. Oh, you dropping it? I never pick it from right here. So. Are you stepping out?
No, that one is not good.
Are you dropping out?
No.
Something dropping at the do dog.
I ate.
Okay. I know how I want that.
Other one there.
Well, somebody stepping at the do. Come tire.
And once I wait for things that get cleaner. I wait for things that get not them alone. Tomorrow she's going for the round.
Pull the stick, Nana. Pull the stick.
You know, Kino, 3 in getting another one, you can make 4 in it. That Kino?
Yeah.
Oh, chef want it.
Last to the can walk.
No.
Some bag on it.
I have hookah too.
Oh, chef, your ladder, you go pan. So we got 3 jackfruit. 3 jackfruity. 3 jackfruit. Why charge your brother call police for you? How much?
50 grand bail.
You there pan?
I get charged for wounded.
Eh?
I want to know where the wounded, when I cut you, or where I chop you.
Charge, yeah. I thought your brother said that. And you found 50 grand bail.
50 grand bail. Yeah, man. What's that?
So when I court?
The 28th.
This month?
Yeah.
Well, I got bust the case.
So Nance man up there tell a lie for Nance to man.
Who name so?
Bina.
I tell lie for who?
Him up there tell lie, him dead active, but him never know that she up there.
Oh.
Me and I they up there.
Yeah.
So he call police. I tell police lie on her front or face, brother.
Guys, hold on there. Guys, here you are going.
You the man that call and tell police lie front of the woman.
Charge your brother, try stitch him up. You know, right now charges on a 50 grand bail. Him have court at the end of this month. But you gotta bust the case still because I don't know nothing serious, you know, it's a family affair. And not never go so.
No man, baby.
It's a family affair.
No man.
Eh?
Me never walk.
Listen.
About 2 of them live on the tree. 2 of them live in it, man. 3 of them there, you know, I can kill the big one outside.
Eh. Oh, see him. A baby that man, a baby one done.
Yeah, we see
no
the
big.
bigger one then. We see the bigger one then.
You want to see bigger than that?
One day I'm going to put the drum down there, man, and up drop off my tree and drop in the drum and can't come out.
One big one.
Yeah, until it can get black, man.
You get black?
Well, I'm just turn over the drum and make me run out.
And colour him change.
Let's see it get black.
What to make you get black?
Yes. Let me see him, don't lick him. Hold on, let me see him. Oh, see there?
Yeah, man, like that. Bro.
Wow.
I am foot broke.
Yeah, man.
No, man, I like
him on him foot.
I saw him born, man.
No. Boom, lick him on him foot a while ago. With a stone.
One day bigger than him. In town.
Yeah, jump on you know.
Well, I'm not going to do nothing if him jump on, no? What am I going to do? I'm not doing nothing, you know?
He's friendly.
I'm not doing nothing.
Friendly?
Yeah.
Yeah, leave him alone, man. Leave the lizard alone, man.
I heal back that, man.
Yeah.
No, I heal back that, boom, man.
You must say them thing I do him.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm good, man.
Good, man.
Nah, I'm doing nothing.
Him doesn't play with him.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, man, a part of nature, them, you know.
Yeah. If he go on and not doing nothing, much less there, man.
Some lizards are more cool than lizards for them, you know. Then city lizards don't have a nice city.
Chairman, more family. Tara, Toko, and Nana. And Cranberries here. Tara, Toko, Nana, and Cranberry.
Some of them rude.
More puppies. What I do with them, Nana? And you cannot feed them, and I have to get rid of them.
The other puppy mango.
Yeah.
Same boy.
Boy, you get enough?
Oh, the same one for the wall of them.
Where?
Oh, there's a fashion. Where's the name of fashion? Look up this one. Yeah, look up this Akina. I don't want to put there.
Right, this one, yeah.
Yeah, that me I tell him say, if you may climb the tree, and how much you may get in a tree? What you say?
Green lizard, them not doing nothing.
And that me I say.
I'm afraid of green lizard, brother.
Yeah. How is this? I understand I'm not afraid of nothing.
No. What green lizard do? Green lizard not doing anything.
Him just run from you.
Guys, one thing I know, a green lizard, it never literally do
I'm
anything.
friendly.
Yeah. Green lizard not do nothing. So tell me, guys, what these green lizard can literally do? What am I gonna do?
Eh.
And what?
Ow. All lizards to jump on you and the lizards are run.
And where that happen? Yeah, man.
Stand up and look this man.
Yeah. So now over the baggage there. I just push the Aki right tonight.
Shut. Oh, Chef, I got me.
Hey, hold it. Oh, Chef, see them one that were open?
Look how much.
When I pick them one there too?
I got me and someone done.
Yeah. Should be back, should be, yeah.
Osh.
Even Kino.
Evening, Ken, where I go on?
Mommy, watch a terror ball for my summer when my fridge in our
I want to freeze in the fridge.
Watch out.
Nobody go in there.
No, not that, no,
Oh,
Jeff.
Chef.
Oh, Chef, now fix it good.
Oh, Chef.
All I ask them in weird.
That's even one gun in the bag, oh, Chef.
Oh, Chef, now fix the bag good, mommy. So the Aki them are going to jump. The Aki them. The Aki said. Be a mastita up there by the oh, Chef.
Yeah, what?
Be a mastita.
Yeah.
Can't find back them Aki there.
What they say?
Be a mastita.
Eh?
Be a mastita. A long time ago, mastita.
Mastita? Guys, a be a mastita. Mastita? What is a mastita? Yeah.
Kina.
What name?
Mastita. What are you?
What name, Toko? Toko? What name? What you call it? Tell me your name. What name? Mastita?
Look what Aki. Look here.
What you say? What you say, Nana?
Look at Kina.
Mastita or mosquito? Mosquito.
Over the part, them for go where all chef them are showing the other part.
It's called mosquito.
Yeah, bring it over so where them are talk about the Aki them up over there. So. Well, So everything what we have for up here, sir. Plate? Yes. You know, guess what? Every plate so we have for up here, sir. And that bring it up here.
So the dog bring the plate up there?
No, like when we left for plate them like wash it and left them out here and the dog them juggle things them gone.
Oh.
And they still find they'll kill him cause him jog one cup and if me never chop all this and me never see it in a chum see something in a bush, me run come down.
A white nose I bring them up there, man. A white nose.
And all I cut them.
All I cut them as well?
Yes.
Yeah.
And plate.
I'm going to stop to plate them here.
Yeah, so now I'm going to stop, keep them outside.
My mother said too.
Yeah, so she will fix them in the kitchen and put them inside.
Yeah.
She said she will keep them inside, like when we wash, we'll bring them inside.
You mistake.
Watch out, I will brand new plate they will father buy. Where this?
So them bring...
Could
they?
And then the alone up there.
So the dog them a drink tea as well too. And
food.
And eat food. Them dog are bossy.
And this my mother pack out the plate and food wash. I will never remember in Kina. Kina, tomorrow, today school was fun. But I reading alone though.
Only reading.
And then tomorrow mother.
What should I finish?
Tomorrow.
Bring that stick that come, because we have to bring back the stick.
I choke.
We have to bring back the people.
We have to bring back the stick. Yes, how we bring it down.
So Toko, you got to eat the peanut butter.
Who I want bread for eat it.
Bring that corner, I will bring it back.
Yeah,
Mind the table break with you.
Who I want bread.
You're siren. You always wah. You're the siren going wee wah.
Everything we say to you, you're not saying.
Wah.
We don't watch YouTube because on TV.
Oh.
We just type it in, we'll come from school.
This one, okay.
And Jaisha have to type it in, but I can type in the father.
I lie, she never said that.
No, yeah. I mean ask Jaisha.
Alright. Oh, shit, I know if you use the stick.
Yeah, the bag you make tear out wider.
Don't it?
And that's why that them weird stuff. Look on the bag, we'll bring down good. I'm walking out to this scene now. Bring down the bag, good.
Yeah.
And look on the bag, we'll bring it down now.
Sorry, they are charging. Oh, shit, I know if you angle them. Them thing.
Tell me next one,
I try to get your dust, you're good, man.
You never have to pick them back rest up.
The worship can't manage the stick.
Okay.
Come here, and I will stop it. Come here. Bring it come.
You know what the thing? Wow. You know.
Hey. 30 grand. Whoa. Give them one of Jack's foot, no?
Oh, give them one. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, give it that. But they're right for pull on 2 food. No, mama. You know, so this one is Trenchtown, but Trenchtown to go up there. Because this dog call because I never go up there. Charlie. In the young, go there.
Go bring back that stick here. A Chris stick though.
As a character,
Yeah?
I don't teach them.
I'm today.
Them just like a character.
Hot, hot like fire.
Burning fire. Don't put them back up there, so. Oh, just like, yeah. Look much ackee there.
Rush up used to the concrete jungle.
Look there. Look how much ackee up there, so I know one of them. You know how much ackee can go you get?
Guess why? Ocean never really used to climbing trees.
We can stay up there for 3 weeks.
You can stay for 3 weeks?
Yeah.
So long. We learn it. What you have? Eat rush? Nana?
Yeah, and 3 of them have eat cash. Me not have more.
You too tall?
Yes.
Then, we live like a car, they're gone.
The time hot still, you know? Yeah, the time really hot. Put on powder.
But I forget look at the powder here and just put it on pan.
I can rub them with the aloe vera.
You know, so the amines, when we put on amines pan, it make it go in more thicker.
Okay.
Make them stay cool.
And that's what I'm saying. I'm going to fill my bearded powder.
You put on a lot pan her.
Yeah. I'm going to put it on pan. That's why everybody has said.
Because listen, I get a tablet as well, but it's not a barrel for somebody. You know who I get the tablet, because them say the name is on them. Say, Kino, there's a tablet in the barrel for one of the kids them up by Mama River. So I don't know whose name is on it. I don't know whose name.
Tomorrow I'm a teacher. Tomorrow a teacher's day at my school.
And then say we have to buy.
And then say we have to bring a present. My classmate bought shot.
Bring a present?
Yes.
Maybe I can bring for them.
No, get some my classmates say, Kino get some my classmates say, but I'm going to bring one too so for my teacher.
Yeah, nothing wrong. Bring a toilet paper or something.
Or a phone.
Yeah, bring something. I can pick Aki for them.
She said she want one jackfruit.
No, I bring one sweetie for her.
Yeah, bring a sweetie or something.
Because she loves sweetie.
She loves sweets. Oh, okay. I mind the burst the line.
So, Kino, if I mind name the pan it, you gotta do. Then I can give it back.
You want me to give it back?
Yes.
Alright, no problem.
That so when I give it back, you can get a blessing.
Oh, so who you give to?
One of them are Jaisha Ushan.
So
my mother said when I give it, you can get it back.
Yeah.
How day she give her some of sweetie, I will get back something.
So you give her the tablet.
That puppy in, I want to subscribe, but their mother never see them, you know. And she attacked her. And
you know, come like a dopey sexy.
No, it's not that.
No,
call the woman come and say, me a watch Kino, so big me up on Kino. I don't know, she not tell me on it, because me hurry up go in the car. So she said, tell Kino, say I am watching you know, on Kino lifestyle in Jamaica. So I say yes.
You say when camera that come and she walk up and down?
No, Papi in the
Papi in.
They will come in here, so the camera leg off of the line. Leg off of the line.
We don't do this.
So when I go through the barrel yet to know what's and how to get the tablet. I wonder if Tara or Toko or Nana or Jaisha or Cranberry
or Kino
or me
so want to go mother
or your mother or Chargy.
She has said she a buy for online.
She a buy one tablet online
for the wall away.
No.
So she has said she want the money to buy, like when she work it, she go see it. So she said she want to adapt me, like when I come home evening time, I clean up the room and go bed and look for them back.
Who said that?
Same.
The lady up there, sir? Okay, so she adapt you?
Because she said she love
for them. That's good. So she go buy a tablet, you say?
Yeah, grocery she buy for like snack.
What do you know? Somebody every day I see. She say, K come like one of them to them. So she say, K, some come out here, I'm 4 kids then.
So she get kids.
All the puppy.
So they get extra mama.
All the puppy she call her son. Because she now no fitness. So she said she want to adapt the whole away. So in Chris hear that Chris say what? So much penny then Jay shall come up like that. Adapt Chris and dark too. Chris say. Look how much pretty. Then look how much, if look how many come that now dark up more.
She just said 4 with.
4 picnic she want.
Yeah, she said she don't want
And
no
the
more.
dog make 5.
Okay.
She said she don't want them. What? Stop that.
Stop!
Rudy. Stop.
Alright. So
But
I have something here towards the bunk bed. Again. I got another donation towards the bunk bed.
Bunk bed.
For the bunk bed. For Nana.
I'm cranberry.
no. Food person for sleep on the bunk bed.
No, you not sleep on it.
Eh.
You stay upon it.
Some girls they sit down for it like in the evening. That is how it is. And now I was saying, I'm going to run and go to my mother up here.
Okay, go on up there.
Wanna?
Like I have
She
new
doesn't back in 1 minute.
No, I should love me some
By
more.
the next morning, she
And
said
that's the thing.
wash her shoes.
Ikina, if I'm mad, if I'm me, you can give it to me. Who you give more? If my name the pan, who for name the? If I'm my name the pan,
Kina
who
name
you
the
give?
pan it.
If I hear your name the point, you have to get
Kina
it.
name the pan it.
So if I want them forget it, me
No,
not come.
Kina name the pan it. Me don't say it.
Alright then. So Nana said mine in the point. So Nana.
Hey, rough up, move. Take up bag. Nah. Hey, I need to go wash the plate.
Nana.
Now the French wash them because
Mommy, if you bring in the plate, here can white nose bring the cup and the black plate.
Right,
Like buy food. The blue plate, then go buy food. White nose.
Tara, where you beat up the dog from?
Kina tell my mother say them a drink tea. No?
Yeah, I'll tea them a drink too.
Dish.
Bring the
And
tea too.
food.
Now we start keep them in here so.
Hey, go so. Go so.
I told father, yeah, say
when we are wash the plate them. That all time we bring them out.
Oh. So here I have a donation towards the bunk bed from Jamaican Nana. One more Nana again. Jamaican Nana. The mountain Nana is about. Nana, your name popular, man.
My name was me not hear him, glad.
You glad? It's serious. Somebody sent a donation, so the name Cranberry.
Just change
No
my
one there see that.
Yeah. Or Granny Berry.
Yeah.
Aunt Berry. Or from Aunt Berry. Or Strawberry.
Blueberry, blackberry, all kind of berries.
Some farmer
you
berry.
remember somewhere
Or
we pick
Toco
up,
Berry.
we are come over the day where we are come from. The where again? The hotel.
Not the hotel, the woman house.
When you come from the hotel?
We should pick one. From which
Lady.
Where you going?
Lady.
What give you the guinea?
What name again?
Okay. Cherry.
Cherry.
A cherry.
One more cherry, nice.
A cherry. I thought when I come from the resort, I will stop off at the lady.
Not there.
When you get cherries.
But I bring home ice cream again, now one cup or something, and if it melts, I drink it like water.
Okay. So here is 22,500 from Jamaican Nana. Jamaican Nana.
Thank you, Jamaican Nana, and may God bless you. Do have a wonderful day. One by one. Me first.
Choco, stop.
Thank you, Jamaican Nana, and may God bless you. Do have a wonderful day.
Tell Jamaican Nana.
Thank you, Jamaican Nana. Do have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Jamaican Nana.
May
God bless you. You have a wonderful day. You know, I'm going to have my prayer for some of the word I know you bring.
Jamaican Nana, thank you so much, and may God bless you and make you have a wonderful year.
Okay.
Okay, now, may I pray for y'all one.
Pray for me alone.
When my father, oh, you bright.
So we give thanks to Jamaican Nana. We thank you so much, for helping out towards the bunk bed, for the family. We thank you so much. God bless you. So they will definitely have a bunk bed, for sure. And Barge never end up coming this week as well because we have some work we're not deal with. So as soon as Barge are free up, that we can come get to work on the road, so we can just free them up and everything. So within time, so everything is in place and with us God and time. That's how it is with God and time. Right? God and time.
God and time.
God and time. So I'm thinking about for the time. Tara, you, Miss Tara. No more breasts.
She stopped so fast.
You stop now?
Yeah.
Thank you, Lord.
You see, now when you come here and see she, every night she sleep by herself. She needs to suck titty.
That's good. That is good.
And her
Thank you.
teacher said we're happy.
But this is the weirdest thing. Tara stops suck breast and there's still milk in the breast.
You know, Kina, me
Yeah, back it out.
me ask how chef if you want Paris something
You
there.
know, say the last time.
Kina, you want Paris something there?
I'm breast small, and I'm usually do not my breast
Backland.
milk. And then one say my brother buy my mixed cornflakes.
I'm just a cranberry love mixed cornflakes.
In the mixed cornflakes, I mix some milk in course. I tell you, it's cranberry milk.
Yeah. I can label it as well too. Cranberry milk. Since you love mixed
You want
cornflakes.
some Paris right now and can't get a last.
You don't have to use the last call, your mother have milk.
No?
Yeah, she have milk.
Me no want a breast milk.
Me no want a breast milk. Me not have
That's what you grew up on.
Me want some breast. Me want some breast right now.
The whole on, no. That's what it is. So when you don't want a breast milk talk, that's what you're used to.
No, auntie
It's more healthy.
No, auntie something make talk stuff.
Breast milk. I can use it boy your porridge, right?
No want it warm.
See like I say like the porridge thick, make it thicker.
See that's my friend I come that you call her name.
Make it thicker.
Which one when you don't
Jerome Douglas, look at my Tamansi Douglas.
Ready?
Yeah.
Is that you want? Alright. Make sure buy bread. Yeah, let's make sure buy bread.
Bread is wet.
Buy the bread and the Lasco. Bring back
Just buy the last one.
Let's buy the Lasco and the bread. But wait, but by the time when you eat that bread, the peanut butter already done. Because Mr. Toka eat it all.
I want back up. We have.
It finished. Mr. Toka finished that already.
Excuse me. You want to see it?
Toka finished that already.
The peanut butter sweet.
I will go get one from Miss. Mama, Miss, I bring one tomorrow for we.
Oh, it just opened.
Yes.
That way Mr. Toka digging it.
We're going to get
some ID from her.
We're going to get Kino, we're going to get one more from with teachers.
Follow them in finishing up.
Yeah, one day. Alright guys, you know the thing goes, so we go run go, finish up here for the day. You pray for me out the road?
Yeah.
Alright, good. You pray for me out the road? You don't pray for me here? Out the road?
I want to pray for you out of the car.
Not you, not you, not you.
Not you, me talk to my people them that we pray for. And my uncle will come and give me the new book. Okay, now I bring my new book at school. I left it at my teacher.
You leave your book?
Yes, like give my teacher. Like when I go to school in
we cranberry book.
Why you cranberry book?
Because we finished.
You finish one already?
No, because I finished my one.
The classmate? And you should have finished it?
No, not she alone. Like my share it, cause.
What about you? You not finished it?
No, me read mine after. Like when before I give them it, me do it. Then I give them it and say I read it.
So you leave the book at school?
Not leave it, I give me teacher.
So why you give your teacher? It's your book.
No.
Them are got teeth fit.
Magic. Hello. Are you in class
No, but you should keep the book that give the teacher.
You need to bring it to home.
You need to bring it to home and read it.
Mommy, in my class, them teeth, them all keep my teacher money.
Bring home your book and read it.
That's what I'm talking about.
Because none want to borrow it as well too. So bring home your book and read it.
She not get mine, she have your own.
But bring it to home. Bring it home. Yeah, give her your book already.
Me not messy.
Me never see me like give away.
None of my classmates them borrow.
But teacher don't need a book.
Me don't know none of my teeth in classmates them borrow.
The one who can read fully, embarrass and read some of it to back over.
But you should have how far you reach in the book.
Halfway.
But you should have read it, you never finish it yet, I give it away. Alright, Charge. You know what thing going on? Yeah. Ken.
Alright, safe.
Yeah.
Esther tell your mommy hi for me. Esther mommy.
Yeah.
And I hope you feel look better.
Esther couldn't get to come because she pick up her mom from the dialysis. That's what too.
Esther say every time. You know?
Yeah, I'm at the dialysis.
You know, Kina, she say every time when you come shop, you pick up her mother.
Yeah. I see him tonight. You say everything you done? Eye jobs. Alright, I'm gonna see him tonight. I'll make him know. Definitely I'm gonna see him tonight. Alright then, Ken. Yeah.
Daddy, thank you so much.
Yeah.
I love.
What kind of bread I go buy though? Sliced bread?
Like, I don't know much to sell something they want them. You know, the one where you can go and put some pan it and give them it.
Sliced bread.
The one when I fear cut.
Sliced bread.
I don't know what to sell it for Kawadi when I will buy my father buy it and she say, on a tree, they sit down. So that's how I come
That can buy it.
They can't buy the Lasco because
It can buy it last
no,
as
the
well.
Lasco there.
It can buy it.
That's how we love buy the one. Look home, boy, you want near me. Because them are saying you buy it up, so you look a bit weird. So you can buy 1, 2, and a few.
Put this pan it. Put that pan it. You will buy it.
No.
No, should I bring down some ocean for me? Ocean, now one them one.
There was burger price up.
Yeah.
Oh, the fire gem.
Yeah.
Pantara, why Tara? Tara pick the tree.
Every time it's here.
Yes, sir. Pantara is something.
Brand new.
Brand new. It want clean off then. Pretty little baby. Eh? Like there's a video shoot going on and on and on. What music video? There's a music video shoot going on down there. Some pride and pay a visit. Nana, like woman stop them. High five later, yeah.
We're not gonna get the papa one.
Alright guys, so yeah. Up here is really hot today though.
Well, I'm not afraid about that.
Yeah. The place is really hot. Really hot. That's why you see none of the heat rush. You know, the weather has been hot. Yeah, Nana.
Here you go, Nana.
That is very sharp.
Alright, no. Later.
Watch I know. You see life in Jamaica.
You hear that? Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch it now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.